The P-Touch Pro Label Maker enables you to organize like a pro, creating and printing durable labels that help identify your electrical and telecom wires and cables, workspace, gear, and more. P-Touch Pro features convenient one-touch keys for cable wrap, cable flag, faceplate, and serialize that make electrical and telecom labeling fast and easy. Use over 300 symbols to help declutter your electrical wiring, workshop, toolbox, garage, storage areas, and more. P-Touch Pro tackles hobbies too, organizing your camping, hunting, and fishing gear, plus sporting equipment. P-Touch Pro is easy to use wherever your projects take you, featuring a detachable wrist strap and portable design, plus both AC and battery power options. The QWERTY keyboard and one-touch label preview option helps simplify labeling. Choose from an assortment of Brother P-Touch label tapes in a variety of widths, styles, and adhesives for all your labeling needs. These labels are resistant to abrasion, chemicals, peeling, and fading, making them exceptionally durable even when exposed to extreme hot and cold temperatures. Tackle your toughest labeling jobs with the P-Touch Pro Label Maker, only from Brother.
Pens aren't perfect. You can't write everything you need, it's tough to read, and sometimes it just disappears. Research is lost, management is annoyed. Guess who's left doing the work over? You got it. We've all seen it happen, and we all know the feeling. Situations like these shouldn't impact the integrity of your lab. Meet the BMP21 Lab label printer. It's a great new technology to help you avoid sticky situations like these. This powerful and affordable label printer can work wonders in time savings and ensuring your data is accurate. With built-in symbols, lab-specific apps, and templates like these for fast, accurate serialization, you'll never lose data and you'll never use a pen again, because a pen won't give you a 15-tube aliquot in 60 seconds on some of the toughest labels around, designed to withstand the extreme conditions in your lab. Think about it. When you're working in the lab, proper identification and labeling is critical to organizing and protecting research. A little drop of ethanol, xylene exposure, even cryo, they can all spell disaster in a heartbeat. Illegible, smeared, missing labels, that's not how a lab should function. Trust me, I've been there. So don't get stuck. Get legible labels that stick. Grab a BMP21 Lab laboratory label printer from Brady. Hard at work in laboratories every day.
Long press to turn on the printer. Load the paper. Connect your phone with NIIMBOT app through Bluetooth. The template can be detected automatically. Press the button to feed paper first. Double-click the test frame to add it. Set print copy and density. Double-click to add it. Click Print. Click Scan. Double-click QR code to add it. Click Print. Press button for continuous printing. Click Image to insert the picture. Find the logo material and choose the logo. Save the template for the next editing. Click Intelligent and choose Image Recognition to convert image to text. Click Intelligent and choose Voice Recognition to convert speech to text.
Lemon juice.